like that, DIYs. A little bit tricky, but you know, persevere. A little bit, oh, it's not tricky. A little bit fiddly. No biggie. Push it in there. Stick it till you're waterproof. Try and get it down to your mud as good as you can, so it's not going to lift up my strip drain. Try and make it as close to your mud as you can. That's cool out here. Tiles go over that. I'm liking it, DIYs, I'm liking it. Get that first coat down and you're laughing. One in the corner. I'll be going up there with my bandage. Right, just try and smooth it out the best you can now. And this little fella, the old hand tool, works well every time. See the curve it can get? Incredible. Alright, that's one side. I'll just show you what I'm doing here as well. Give it a bit of a razzmatazz there. Right, so that's what I'll be doing right through. I'll be doing that on the other side here. I'll be putting one up here. I'll do it now so I show you. Like so, and I'll be having another one up here. I'm using that hand tool again, just to press things into place nicely. Bring it along a little. That's it, right. So I'll be doing exactly the same on this side. Easy peasy. So, as they say in Australia, see you later, mate. As they say in New Zealand, haere rā. See ya.